Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonia. If you are new, hi. If you are not, welcome back, fam. Thank you for sticking with the girl and everything. So I just wanted to come to you guys and talk to you guys about this hair from MOBOK Store vendor. They're a vendor off of AliExpress, and I ordered their 20-inch frontal and their 22-inch, 24-inch, 26, well, two 26 inches. So when I first received the hair did have a slight odor in it, but it came out with my shampoo and my conditioner, like, straight out. And I made it into a wig, and that's when I actually washed the hair. It was after I got all the bundles, or almost all the bundles, into it. I was able to put in all the 26 inches, and I was able to put in the whole 24-inch, but I was not able to put in the whole 24 inches. I know, even because I had a frontal, I was not going to be able to put in the whole 22-inch. I was already pushing for space when I was putting in the 24. So it's just like, the 22 is going to go in. It's going to fit. I'm going to make it fit. Whatever. So it fit-ish. When I did receive the hair, it came in with this cute little card basically telling me how to take care of the hair. It did come in the little package that it normally comes into, the, like, annoying wrapper. Yes, it came in that. Telling me the links and what type of hair. This is Brazilian kinky curly hair. Yes, this hair is high maintenance. Yes, you're going to have to detangle this hair every day. Yes, you're going to want to add a leave-in conditioner on this hair. Yes, you're going to also want to make sure that you're putting something moisturizing on this hair. I use my expensive products. I don't use really cheap products because it's like, hey, whatever. This hair is actually really soft. Even before I used my own products, this hair was already super soft, and now this hair is even more softer, if that's a word. The communication with the vendors was amazing. Like, grade, like, a scale of 1 to 10, it will be a 10. Like, they are amazing. I love it. I've never had a vendor get back to me so quickly, like, the very next day. Never. So this, I really would say this hair is, like, amazing. The only thing is you're just going to get a little bit of shedding. I only get a little bit of shedding. 1 is kinky curly hair, so you're going to get shedding. 2 is because I also cut my 22 inches just to make them fit in this wig. So yeah, that's really all that I had to come and talk to you all about. I will be taking this hair on and off every night, so do not think I'm going to be sleeping in this hair every night. I am going to put this hair through the test. I'm not going to be flat ironing it. If I wanted straight hair, I would have bought in straight hair. This hair is college girl friendly. If you're a college student, if you're in high school and you're paying for your own hair, this hair is within our price range. This hair is only $168. Well, it's within my price range because I am a college student and the struggle is real over here. Even though I am a hairstylist too, the struggle is still real, you know. So yeah, that was really all that I really had to say to you guys. And if you want to see any, like, hair review, like, tutorials on how I style this hair every day, and I like the fact that it gives me a nice layered effect. It does flow very well. Wait, let me push all the hair to the front. It flows really well into each other. The reason why, like, you see this curls. Like, look, guys. Like, this is kinky curly hair. This is amazing. This hair is really good. The vendor, they're bomb. But yeah, if you want to see any hair tutorials, anything like that, just leave a comment below. And please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And please subscribe. Hit the bell for more notifications. And I hope you guys remember that you are all kings and queens. And I hope you all have a blessed day or night, wherever you all are. And if you have any more questions, just leave a comment below, and your girl will, I will comment, and I will literally respond to anything you have to say. Also, just go to my Snapchat and add me. My Snapchat is Sonia, MBAKIN. So just add me, and I will be doing a Snapchat giveaway. Also, I will be doing a giveaway when we get to 30 subscribers, and let's try to get this this video up to at least 25 likes or more and 500 or 600 views. Let's try this so we can do some giveaways. Because, you know, y'all are going to like... And you guys can do, like, if you guys add me on Snapchat, you guys can tell me what you want as a giveaway. Or it'll be a surprise. And it'll probably be something from Ulta or Sephora, maybe from MAC, something like that. So yeah, just let your girl know she is ready for you guys. Like, you're our fam. We are fam. And I love you guys. Alright, thank you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Bye.